What's up, everybody? Good morning. I'm trying out this camera again. Whoopsie. So, just testing her out. Still ain't got the HD working. Or, well, I got it working, but I can't upload videos on it. So, still not as good as it can be, I guess, but trying to zoom in on something. Oh, that's as far as it zooms in on that mode. Anyway, I'm going to turn the train off for a minute. I'm going to take a video of this old thing here. I want, Gus, I know you got one of them old time record players. And this is something similar to that, but it's not a record player. Now this belonged to my great grandma. She bought this thing brand new, and I don't really know what it is, but this comes off. It's made by Thomas Edison Company. It's just the box or the cover. Yeah, right there it says, let me get out of the light, Thomas A. Edison, and it says Edison right there. And this thing like flips up, and oh shit, my battery's going dead.